Hey y'all, so we're back again with another review because I ordered something from Amazon. And if you are anything like me, hoop earrings are a must. I wear hoops every single day. I love them. They're one thing that I can't live without. So I ordered a new pair from Amazon because the pair that I had, I would say it lasted me a good 2 years, and that's only like wear and tear as far as the click part. They clicks once it goes in your ear, but overall the earring never turned anything. It wasn't nothing like that. So I'm telling you, if you want to invest in a good pair of gold plated earrings, these are the earrings to get. Let's get into it. You know we love when we get a little package from Amazon Prime. Let's see. Because I also ordered some nose rings. Okay, let's do the earrings first. Let's see. Okay. So it's by Opal, New York. Meet, fall in love with Opal. Okay. Yep, right. So comes packaged like that. Let's see how we going to get this open. Y'all, I got a bad habit. I know I need to stop. I have a bad habit of opening things with my teeth. I just do that. It's such a bad habit. But let's see. Let's get this out. Okay, this is the box. Let's see the earrings. Now, normally they go by, I believe, like 30 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm, and that's just based on size of the hoops. These, I believe, are, I think, a 30 mm. So it comes, before I show you the earrings, it comes with this, I guess, to clean your earrings off. And it comes with a thank you card. Your order made my day. Of course it did. It put some money in your pocket. But I appreciate the thank you. And yeah, so it comes like that. Then the earrings come in this little Ziploc, mini Ziploc. When I tell you, I normally get the next size up, which I'm gonna order another pair, but I wanted a small pair this trip. You see them? They are so, oh, I love them. Let me put them on. I love them. I'm addicted. I cannot help it. I had to come and show y'all. And I'm an all year round hoop girl. Some people like it during certain seasons, hairstyles, which I agree. Certain hairstyles hoops go with and certain hairstyles that don't go with. But look, it's just that everyday get up, pick up, put your hoops on and go. So I normally, like I said, I normally get them a little bit bigger, and they're very lightweight. They're not heavy at all. You know, we be fiending so bad that we be stretching out ear hole wide open. That's not a good look. But as you can see, I love them. Don't they look so pretty? I love them. And I'm telling you, they're worth the buy. Let's see. So, okay, so as far as the nose ring go, they come in the packaging like this. All right. Now, I would like to say I'm a nose ring wear every day girl. I don't wear it every day. I actually wanted to do it for real. But I feel like when it comes to piercing anything on your face, the first thing you see is my nose. And if something goes wrong, how am I going to fix that? How am I going to fix that? So I'd rather do the fake, the duplicate. So it comes in this little, this is cute, which is by Brianna Williams. Okay, girl. This is Amazon. They be having some stuff. So Then it's another little Ziploc bag. They love these Ziploc bags, I tell you that. Now, they have different kinds that you can order. And I normally order like different designs that come with like stars, hearts. But this time I just wanted loops. So this is what the loop looks like. The double loop. Double looped. Right? Okay. And then the other one is just, as you can see, one loop. So I'm gonna show you what the double hooked one looks like. You just push it in your nose and here you go. So the hoops, the earring, it just gives you a whole nother look. Like, I don't know. I just love it. I just love it. I think when I see women with it, I'm like, oh my, it just looks so sexy. It's just something about gold. It's just something about gold. It looks good on my skin. And yeah, I just love it. So that's why I choose to get these. Now, it do last the whole day. They don't like slip out because they're like clinking. It's like clinking onto my nose. Now, some people will say like it's the other way around. Like this piece belongs on the inside and the other piece. I've wore it both ways. Because honestly, whichever feels comfortable to me, that's how I wear it. So whatever feels comfortable to you, that's how you wear it. And I guess this side, because I just switched it around, would give you just more of, I guess, an illusion like it's actually pierced. So, but yes, I love it. So yes, so I'm going to put the description for the nose ring and the earrings in my description. Go get you a pair. It's gonna be a cute vibe for the summertime. You know, summer's coming. Get your little hoop earrings. They come in all sizes, from little to really big. It all depends on you and what it is that you like. But for me, I'm gonna stick with these for now. And my nose ring. And yeah, so, and sometimes I'm usually a bun girl because it's hot. We know it's hot. And New York is sticky, nasty hot. So yeah, so link will be in the description box, and go order and stay tuned to your next review. If there's anything particular y'all want me to buy, order, review, let me know in the comment section. I do respond. Make sure you like, make sure you share this video, and tell a friend, and make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I post, you know what's happening. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.